And this is part 2 of Kara meeting our baby Huey. I'm telling you, the boys just love her. They are so happy. They are really happy. Usually takes them, come on guys. Usually takes them a little bit longer to get to be friends like this. She's got a great disposition. She's so pretty. Is that your new brother? That's your brother, baby Huey. Fat boy. They're all fat around here. They're having fun. That's a nice view. Let me see you play. Come on, you playing? What happened if you had a toy? Where's your toys? Do you have toys? You just have each other. She's much smaller than I thought. She's so pretty. Very cute. Very cute.